Alright, what's going on, everyone? In today's video, we're going to be talking about the Orangeburg Massacre. So if you don't know what this is, let me explain it to you. So All-Star Bowling in Orangeburg served as the starting point for an historic, violent, and tragic event known as the Orangeburg Massacre. This is by SC Picture Project, by the way. I'll link that in the description. But it says it's the only bowling alley in a city that contains two historically black schools, Claflin College, I believe that's how you say that, and South Carolina State University. All-Star prohibited African Americans from entering its premises even 4 years after the Civil Rights Act of 1964 desegregated all public places, and they still didn't let them in. Owner Harry K. Floyd refused to integrate his bowling alley, claiming it was exempt from federal law. So basically, he wanted to keep it the way it was. And his reasoning is because it's going to mess up his clientele. That's what he said, at least. There were peaceful protests growing larger and larger over the few days. I think it started the 5th. And the night that this happened, there were some glass plates thrown, but that's literally it. So, no reason for this. So, 3 students were actually shot and killed by the highway patrol. Freshman Sammy Hammond was shot in the back. 17-year-old high school student Delano Middleton, whose mother worked at South Carolina State, was shot 7 times, and 18-year-old Henry Smith was shot 3 times. And all 3 died from their injuries, and the cops injured 28 other people because they literally randomly shot into the crowd. And this happened February 8th, 1968, by the way. And that's just absolutely insane. Out of at least 70 armed police officers on the scene of the Orangeburg Massacre, just 9 were charged with shooting at protesters. The federal government brought them to trial for imposing summary punishment without due process of law, even though U.S. Attorney General Ramsey Clark later said the officers had lost their self-control and committed murder. Quotation, that's what he said. They all were set free, of course. It's the South in the 60s. And this happened around 10:30 p.m. And it's just absolutely insane that this happened. This bowling alley, by the way, was built in 1962. And it's just insane to me that something like that can happen to these people that were literally peacefully protesting. The nights before, they were told to leave and they just left. That's it. Literally the only thing did out of those people, like someone threw a plate. That's it. So it's absolutely insane that this happened. So the bowling alley actually closed in 2007. So we're going to go check it out. Y'all get to see the inside. And it happened right out front of the bowling alley. So, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Let's remember these guys that were killed. And let's just hope that wherever they are, you know, they're doing okay. And they're seeing that times today are actually getting a lot better. Thank God. So anyway, hope y'all enjoy. Peace out. You want to get a video of it? What happened here makes it that much more eerie, though. That guy looks cool. Oh, his office. That's probably a cool gig. Managing a bowling alley. Yeah. Look at the shoes. Is that real? What? I think. I don't know if that thing's playing or not. Do you see it? The way the ground looks around it, I don't think it's... Yeah, but they played it very well. Let me get you some good shots of this. Oh, we probably should clear this first. The ground is completely wet. I ain't lying. It's too far gone to remodel. Oh.
Oh yeah, this place is...
It's gone. It's done.
I think they realized that.
We just kind of gave up on it.
Yeah.
Get you some shots, big dog. That's sick. That's the thumbnail. Wait. Actually, come right here. I keep forgetting that's a step. I'm trying to get it off the shoes. It's like shining a lot right there. That's the thumbnail. That's beautiful. Yes. My own reflection scared me. It's sick though, right? Look at that. I have an idea what we're gonna do when we're leaving. I said I have an idea what we're gonna do when we leave. I think you might know.
I think I kind of know.
We're gonna set it up and everything. You can't not do that.
I know. I know what you're talking about now.
I mean, I'm setting them up and everything. We're done for... Oh, we gotta get the back. There's a little storage closet.
Imagine if you did that to the box.
My own flashlight literally made me pass away just now. It scared me so bad. This is our second place that Big Banks just came to. That's our top Urbex YouTuber. Our dream is to collab with him one day, and to be honest, just make content with him all the time and do this for a job. That would be insane. There's a little lane back here. No way that's working. Y'all ever seen the back of a bowling alley? Well, today you're about to. There's still pins up. That's crazy. Look at that machinery. All the tools to clean the machine. Old TV. A bunch of pins. It's crazy. Damn. We're close.